In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Mailchimp. Whether you're just getting started or expanding an existing audience, the process is simple and flexible. We'll walk through where to go, the options you have, and a few best practices so your list stays clean and compliant. First, look to the left-hand pane inside Mailchimp and click Audience. This is the hub for your contact management. When the page loads, you'll see your contacts list. These are the people you can email through campaigns and automations. Take a quick look to confirm you're in the correct audience if you manage more than one. To add more people, move to the top right and click Add Contacts. This opens your choices for bringing new data into Mailchimp. You can import using a file, add contacts manually one by one, or import using integrations that connect Mailchimp to other tools you use. Use a file import when you have a spreadsheet of addresses, like a CSV or TXT export from another system. Before uploading, it's a good idea to tidy your file. Keep clear column headers such as email address, first name, and any tags you plan to use. Remove duplicates, and make sure everyone on the list has given permission to be emailed. After you choose the file option, Mailchimp will guide you with on-screen prompts for selecting the file, matching your columns to Mailchimp fields, and confirming how to handle any conflicts. Choose the manual option if you just need to add a few people. You'll enter the essential details, at minimum, a valid email address, and you can optionally add names, tags, or notes to help with segmentation later. Pick integrations if your contacts already live in another platform, like an e-commerce system or CRM. Mailchimp will display the available connections and walk you through authorizing the link, choosing which audience to sync to, and applying settings like tags or update rules. No matter which option you select, Mailchimp provides clear instructions specific to that path. Follow the prompts, review your choices, such as the target audience, opt-in status, and any tags, and confirm to finish. When the import completes, you'll see your updated contacts list and audience. That's all there is to it. By using the Add Contacts menu, you can bring people in by file, add them one at a time, or connect an integration, all with guided steps that keep your data organized and ready for your next campaign.